In today's video, I will teach you how to reset your Apple Watch. I am using the Apple Watch Series 9, but the process for resetting other Apple Watches is also same. But before starting this video, I request you to subscribe to this channel. There are two ways to reset an Apple Watch. One using the iPhone and the other directly from the watch itself. First, I will show you how to reset the Apple Watch using the iPhone. Before using this method, you should also know that it also unpairs your Apple Watch from your iPhone. Create a backup for your Apple Watch and remove the activation lock. To reset it, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap All Watches at the bottom left of the screen. Then tap the info button next to the watch you want to unpair and erase. Tap Unpair Apple Watch. If you use a GPS plus cellular model, you will be asked if you want to keep or remove your plan. Tap Unpair again to confirm. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password and tap Unpair. This process may take some time. When you erase your watch using the iPhone, your iPhone will create a new backup of your watch before deleting it. If you are erasing a family member's watch that is paired with your iPhone, their watch will back up to the iCloud. Now, I will show you how you can reset your Apple Watch directly from the watch itself. You can erase all the content and settings of your Apple Watch from the watch itself. This will reset your Apple Watch to its original factory settings, but it won't create a backup or remove the activation lock. To reset your Apple Watch directly from the watch itself, follow these steps. Open Settings on your Apple Watch. Tap General, scroll down and tap Reset. Select Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. If you have a GPS plus cellular model, decide whether you want to keep or remove your plan. Tap Erase All to confirm and restore your Apple Watch to its factory settings. Once the process is complete, your Apple Watch will be reset. Now, you can pair it again with your iPhone or with a new iPhone. That wraps up today's video. I hope you now understand how you can reset the Apple Watch either from the iPhone or directly from the watch itself. If you find this video helpful, please like it and leave a comment for any questions you may have. For more tips and tricks, subscribe to Wearholic and tap on the bell icon. Thanks for watching.